Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule meeting in a Google Meet. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Meet apps. And after this, in here you just click on the new meeting. And then in here you can click on the schedule in a Google Calendar. And after this, in here you can add the title, maybe a meeting like this. And after this, in here you can click on the day, maybe on this one, and then click OK. And after this, in here you can click on the save at the top. And now in here you can see your schedule meeting in a Google Meet. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.